Hey friends, it's 12th day of our 30-day craving busting adventure. And today I would like to introduce you to amazing method for dissolving your cravings from inside out, from deep from your subconscious mind. It's a mind shifting method. This method is used to dissolve all kinds of challenges and even for spiritual and personal growth. And what I'm most interested in is to help people to overcome cravings with this method. Mind shifting method was developed by Stevie Kent. He was studying psychology and helping people for decades. He even studied with Tibetan monks. And he developed this system because he was frustrated with how long time it took with other methods and how complicated they were. With the mind shifting method, you get results right away from the first session, which can be as short as 20 minutes. And if you get a full 1 hour session, you will probably release quite a few of challenges or inner blocks. And what I'm most interested in is dissolving those emotional blocks that are holding people back from releasing the cravings. So many of you told me that you feel that your cravings are mostly emotional, and I have to agree. Although there are physiological reasons also that sometimes we don't even realize that we have, and it's important to address them, I still feel like emotional reasons are most important, because when we dissolve these emotional blocks and even energetical blocks, then it will be so much easier to apply these healthy lifestyle principles and healthy eating principles in our life. So if you're interested in a group mind shifting session, I'll be doing a free workshop next Sunday. If you're interested, subscribe in the link below, and I'm so excited to see you again in the next video tomorrow. Bye!